wonderful and abundant, benevolent blessings to all of you wonderful souls out there. Kiara DeCass here today in the All Things Health and Wealth Show, and today we are going to be showing you 4 cryptocurrencies that are going to blow your mind away right now. What is going on in the crypto space? So let's tackle some news, let's tackle some energy, but for now I want to let you know that anything I share in this video is not financial advice. It is just what I'm seeing, what I'm looking at, and perhaps I'll tell you where I'm investing in, and of course that has to do a whole lot with your health too. So invest in your health, most importantly, is the most important thing. So you'll come here and you'll take a look at my page. Yesterday I spoke about my tonic. I've been speaking about Bitcoin has 670% explosion once it can break out of the 6.18 Fibonacci, 618 Fibonacci, excuse me, and I've been speaking about Bitcoin been breaking since kind of last week, since over here. So yeah, you've been really in a good space. You want to come check my video about health and wealth, have a look at BTC Synergy Organics, and been doing there. And yeah, I just told you about this Bitcoin video. I did a short, it had an amazing 1.1 thousand views, and absolutely awesome. So really super excited. Yeah, so anyways guys, let's get on to the most wonderful and beautiful magic. I'll share with you a few things, so let's get right into it. Okay, so start off with all of the news today, and what I wanted to come and share with you and show you is crypto billionaires increased by 60% in a year. Who made the Forbes annual list? I'm not going to go into the article, but billionaires. So there were about 10,000 billionaires in 2020. So if that's a 60% increase, that means that there's an additional 6,000 billionaires. So you can see in the crypto space that when you are patient and you wait, just like the long-term wealth builds themselves, then you will build wealth. You will build millions, and it's not a problem. So huge things right now. The metaverse definitely exploding into space. Excuse me, it's exploding into the metaverse. It's really awesome, and we'll get onto some videos at some other point, but right now I'm just sticking to the points here. I just want to focus particularly on 4 cryptocurrencies that I'm sure you can already see. So Visa should be scared. Lightning Labs raises 70 million to add to stablecoins. That's amazing, guys. That's amazing news, because at the end of the day, like, people pulling their money in and out of Bitcoin, and that's why we get the sell and the buy pressures in Bitcoin, because it's the slow aging money that earns the highest rewards and the interest for being paid. Whereas if you take your money in and out all the time, yes, you can make profits, that's not, but there's more risk, there's more trading, there's more stress, there's all kinds of things like that. So really just what a wonderful energy. Scaramucci sees bright future for crypto, but very worried about US politicians. We know why that is. So Montana BTC mine to pursue carbon neutrality. So that's really awesome. And one last really awesome thing, survey that was done, more than a quarter of US millennials plan to use crypto to fund retirement. So what's that saying? Is that more and more people will come into the crypto space to protect themselves from the extreme inflationary environments and price discrepancy. So people want to build wealth. They don't want to lose their wealth. So Bitcoin. So you can come onto Cointelegraph and come have a look at all of the articles that it has here. But there's one article that I just really show you. MicroStrategy subsidiary adds another 4,000, nearly 4,200 BTC to the balance sheet. Okay, this article is from 10 hours ago. So I'm saying to you that if institutions like this are continuing to purchase such high volumes of BTC, 4,200 to be exact, you know, this is saying something to you, that it's being built for the long term. Like, the wealth is being built. And there he is, Michael Saylor, standing in a suit. I mean, this is one of the most incredible humans at the moment, and they're probably talking at the Miami Bitcoin conference. So really very, very cool. I hope whoever's there is having an absolute blast and having the best fun ever. Georgian Central Bank prepares legislation to regulate the crypto market. So interesting, we'll see what comes out of that. And one thing I just wanted to share with you, because I'm going to be sharing one of the cryptos right now. Let's have a look. NFT sales pass 1.6 billion. Looks Rare and more. So Looks Rare is an NFT platform that's really coming up as well. So you should have a look at that and get into doing your own research. Go onto CoinGecko and have a look at Looks Rare. I haven't personally invested in Looks Rare myself, but I do have it on my investment coin list. And whenever I have capital free to invest in other projects, then I take and I sell projects and I move my money over. So yeah, it's all about investing now, and a lot of the crypto charts are looking very low and flat right now, and they're waiting for Bitcoin to, of course, lead the space. So Bitcoin and Ethereum, once they start leading the space, we're going to see some huge action coming up. Let me just bring this down because I wanted to share one or two things with Ethereum as well, because crypto and culture intersecting. Could ApeCoin be the go-to token of the metaverse? And I was just talking about the metaverse right now, and I was saying to you that the metaverse is going to be absolutely huge, probably one of the biggest spaces to make the hugest gains. And if we can see, I'm going to be those are really fantastic coins. Definitely very excited. So let's get straight into the charts, and let's have a look at what you go and look at. So Bitcoin, even though it broke down the triangle, it still has not broken here. So as long as we can hold up above that bar, pretty good to, for me, we're pretty good to continue up. Now I need to share something with you. If you hear this red candle that dropped here and a little bit of volume, still some decent volume. Let's see what happens in the next couple 4 hours. But that candle basically closed above the bottom of this line, and this means it found some support on this level. So let's put a line in there for you, horizontal line, and put it right in at this point so that you can see what I'm referring to. Okay, that's another one. We've got some support here. If we can remain above this white line, we're definitely going to try and push back above this purple box. But if fall below the white line, we're definitely coming back down to test the line. If we break past the blue line, guys, that's where I'm going to start concerned. I've seen probably come test 40k level again. Okay, so do we want that to happen? No, not really at all. But like I said, on some of my other videos, you can take a look in the link right now. Those are the videos that I'm talking about that has a long-term bull momentum for Bitcoin. So right now, onto the day, we've made those. The ribbons opening nicely, and we came to find some support on this white line, and we've got two consecutive higher lows and higher highs here. So very real short little retracement on the day time frame. It's nothing that we don't used to. I mean, when every momentum you see retracement, so we need to be retracement is very important for the next level up. Okay, so I'm doing the momentum to this purple box because it is at 3,000. What's this level? 3,000. Just call it 3,600. Quite a chunk of resistance there. So on my time frames, you can see back here, back here, back here. So it's quite a level to break through. Level, we're probably going to come back up and test our 4,500 level somewhere back up here just before the all-time highs. So really exciting for Ethereum. Bought myself because we had obviously this wonderful breakout here. This is the level that we were looking to break out of, quite interestingly. So let me just line for you here so that you can see. Boom. Okay. So which now says to me that we you can see here, this is where all the buy volume was. The buy breakout, it's where the ribbon started expanding, and all we've had, we hit a little level. It's okay, that's not a problem. I think 19 cents is a bit of a 19 to 20 cents is a bit of resistance. I'll show you that now. But of course we've got to resist, come back and test the support for the breakout level. So that's exactly what we're doing. So I'm really not too concerned. I've been playing and I've been staying for passive income. Now why wouldn't you want to stay for passive income? So you can see high volume on the day time frame. So let it retrace, just keep accumulating at time frame. So that breakout target really is breaking a angle. It's not really on the top of this, but I drew the level here at the 60 cents level where we gives a trend line. So I drew that. So find some support here on top of the ribbon, and then we back up. So I believe up to the 37 to 35 cents mark on Dogecoin. Now let's get on to Solana. Solana has been quite interesting at the moment because we've come to the $126 mark, which is pretty cool. But we've been testing up here, and right now we tested that low on this, which we broke back down below the moving average. However, with that being said, there are times of like just size movement where it bounces between up and down ribbon, and you can see here it starts to get back to the ribbon. Now we've been going up time now already, so let me just so we've been on a bullish momentum for some time to run a little bit. We're on a huge level, so let's just put another little white line in here so that we could see that we're expecting Solana to perhaps look at. Now, but that's okay. If it can come down to that level, we just reaccumulate some more, because Solana has huge, guys, huge. In fact, I'm going to skip the day. I'm going to we pretty really beautiful actually. On the line, we've broken the ribbon, and it's pretty good volume. Yeah, what we're looking for now is just a retest of the ribbon. That's to do, right? At the resistance level of this resistance here. So that's okay. What we're looking for is really just a sign of regulation and then a strong move back up. So resistance at 123 for Solana, but really we're probably going to be looking for this $210 level. And perhaps come back to up to all-time highs. So that's about a 2.2x on your money. With that being said, guys, I've really enjoyed this video with you. Blessings on my tonic for you. And I have some really awesome news. If you have not yet, and if you like trading, if you want to trade, click the link below. There's a bonus of $4,100 on Bybit if you click only my link right now, right below, right here. And I'm so excited to do the next video for you. I'm going to be beautifully happy to be consistent. Oh, and check out this video where I said Bitcoin is breaking 1.1k views. Beast mode. Love you all. Thank you for being part of my community. Appreciate you. Click that link right down below. Take care of yourself and have a blessed